PeaceRyde provides offshore project crew manpower supply services. We specialize in supplying qualified and skilled crew members for various offshore projects in the maritime and oil and gas industries. Here's how PeaceRyde manages offshore project crew manpower supply. Firstly, by providing tailored crew selection. PeaceRyde understands that different offshore projects have unique requirements. We work closely with clients to identify specific crew skill sets, certifications, and experience needed for each project. Through our extensive pool of qualified crew members, PeaceRyde selects and supplies personnel that align with the project's specific demands. Secondly, compliance and certification. PeaceRyde ensures that crew members supplied for offshore projects comply with the necessary regulatory requirements and possess the required certifications. This includes verifying qualifications such as basic offshore safety induction and emergency training and other offshore-specific certifications. Thirdly, project-specific training. If required, PeaceRyde facilitates project-specific training to equip crew members with the necessary skills and knowledge for offshore assignments. We collaborate with reputable training providers to ensure that crew members receive the appropriate training relevant to the project, such as helicopter underwater escape training and other offshore survival courses. Also, health and safety compliance. PeaceRyde prioritizes the health and safety of crew members involved in offshore projects. We ensure that crew members have the necessary medical certifications and undergo comprehensive health and safety briefings to comply with offshore industry standards and protocols. The fifth is logistics and mobilization. PeaceRyde manages the logistics and mobilization of offshore project crew members. We handle travel arrangements, including flights or helicopter transfers, accommodations, visa processing, and transportation to and from offshore locations. This ensures a smooth and efficient mobilization process for crew members. Lastly, continual support. PeaceRyde provides ongoing support to crew members throughout their offshore project assignments. We maintain regular communication, monitor crew performance and welfare, and address any issues or concerns that may arise. This ensures that crew members have a positive and productive experience while working on offshore projects. Overall, PeaceRyde's expertise in offshore crew manpower supply allows us to meet the specific requirements of offshore projects, providing qualified and competent crew members who contribute to the success of these projects. Peace begins with a smile. Please share the love. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.